Meaning of epic.
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 Epic. The word epic is an adjective that describes something grand in scale or heroic in nature. It can refer to a work of literature, film or other media that tells a story of great importance or significance. The term is often used to describe events or accomplishments that are monumental, impressive, or awe-inspiring. Epic is also associated with something that is legendary or iconic, and can connote a sense of timelessness or enduring impact. Overall, the term epic conveys a sense of greatness or majesty that exceeds the ordinary or commonplace.